Good day. Today, we'll delve into the world of CjForum. CjForum is a powerful Joomla extension designed for creating discussion forums. It offers an array of features to enhance user engagement and community interaction. This guide includes the steps such as installation, configuration, and content creation. CjForum package includes the main component, modules, and plugins necessary for building a full-featured forum. Start by downloading the CjForum component from the Downloads page. Before we dive into CjForum, we need to grab another essential component called CjLib. If your site cannot connect and download it automatically, head over to the Downloads page and download CjLib. It's like laying the foundation for our forum. Now, let's get down to business. Fire up your Joomla installer page and upload the CjForum package. The installation process will take care of everything. The installer creates all the necessary database tables. Modules and plugins are installed automatically. If anything seems amiss, don't hesitate to reinstall the package. Once the installation is complete, let's do a quick check. Head to your administrator menus. You should see a shiny new addition, the CjForum menu. If it's there, congratulations, you're on the right track. Now let's dive into the next step. Configuration is key. Click on the Options button. Here, you can fine-tune settings to match your requirements. Make sure to check all the options in the Options window. All the options are documented on the page for you to easily understand their functionality. Options are categorized according to the functionality. It is mandatory to save the options at least once after the installation of the component. Pay special attention to the Permission Settings tab. It's where you control who can do what within your forum. Now let us make sure some of the CjForum plugins are enabled that are essential for the smooth functioning of the component. For example, CjForum Topics plugin is used to perform all basic options such as sending emails, awarding points, etc. The Content plugin is needed to configure the category options. The Users plugin is needed to synchronize the user profiles. Now that we've set the stage, let's create some forums. Navigate to Components, CjForum, Categories. Add new forums here. There are two main types of forums you can create. Parent forum. This type groups all your child forums together. Regular forum. A standalone forum where your users can create the topics. Remember, for a clean forum index page, each top-level category should have at least one subcategory. Customize permissions for each category as needed. To make navigation a breeze, create menu items. Go to Menus, add new menus. Set up your new menu and add your CjForum menu items to it. Consider creating a menu alias in your main menu and link it to any CjForum page you'd like. You can organize the menu items with parent-child relationships. The menu items will form your site URLs. We recommend you to create the Forum Categories menu item as top-level category and add individual category menu items underneath it. You can also add other menu items such as Topics Listing menu item, Leaderboard, Search Page, etc. Although not every menu item is mandatory, we recommend to create them to create the best performing, search engine-friendly URLs. The final structure of your menus may contain the categories menu item along with all top-level category menu items. Feel free to create menu items for all your other categories as well. Now that you have created the CjForum menu items, you may want to create the menu item in your main menu to show the forum on your front-end site. Consider creating a menu alias in your main menu and link it to any CjForum page you'd like. Go to your main menu and add a menu alias menu item. Link your forum categories menu item to it. You may want to publish your main menu in a module position if it is not done already. And there you have it. CjForum is now up and running. Feel free to explore its features, engage with your community, and create meaningful discussions. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Happy forum building!